How to return the Adidas products. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be talking about how to return the Adidas products online with ease. So if you have purchased something and need to return it, this guide will walk you through. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and search for adidas.com. This way, you will head over to this official website. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner and then tap on Help. From here, you need to search for how do I return my products. Once you tap on how do I return my products, it will give you a set of instructions. Returns are free of charge, so first of all, go to Adidas/return. You can return up to 14 days of receiving your order. So once you do so and tap on the option, it will take you to another page. Here are few questions that you need to answer. The very first one is order number and then the email address. Once that is done, select if you want to track an order or start an exchange or return. Then tap on continue to get the process done. Also, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions and then provide any additional information that is required. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.